Hello, beautiful souls. This is Myra with Happy Soul, Happy Life. Namaste, my beautiful, beautiful friends. So, I wanted to come out with an animal spirit, and this is a collective of an animal spirit, and it's the bird. Okay, so I've been seeing a lot of different type of birds, but birds in general, right? So I wanted to put this out for you guys. It's very kind of interesting. So when you see a bird, what do you see, right? And we might take them, for granted, but do not do that, my friends. It turns out that these birds are messengers of the spiritual realm. They also symbolize freedom, victory, enlightenment, prosperity, fortune, opportunity. They also are about transformation. They are preparing us for transformation. They are letting us know that your ability is to rise above adversity, right? They help us develop. They give us that inspiration to develop our spirituality further, right? When the birds cross our path, they are asking us, are you so grounded that you forgot about your dreams? Do you feel boxed in? Right? If you do, call on the bird for their energy so they can assist you in this beautiful transformation and to give you that empowerment, that ability to rise above any situation, to see the bigger picture, right? All right, my namaste, my beautiful friends. Enjoy this beautiful day. Thank you.